Hello everyone, welcome to Excel series. I'll be covering Microsoft Excel tutorial in detail, starting with this introductory video where I'll cover the importance of MS Excel. This video is basically for those who have not got enough exposure to use Microsoft Excel, so they can start learning from scratch. Excel is that unique skill which a person will require to have irrespective of any industry or any profession. So one can blindly start learning Microsoft Excel. We might have heard or used MS Word or MS PowerPoint for the projects and assignments, but MS Excel is not the part of curriculum in most of the cases. Most of you are at the stage of starting a career, so here I would like to tell Excel is useful in any industry, any profession. I have listed down few industries here: aerospace, education, manufacturing, IT, real estate, or any profession which has a work related to financial industry. If you want to know Excel use related to any particular industry or role, let me know in the comment section. I'll cover that for you. This is the excellent tool to increase the productivity and get better results in what you do. Now let's see importance of MS Excel over traditional approach. So what by traditional approach I mean the use of register, basically manual entry on a register. So point 1, it helps in maintaining data. It can be considered as a substitute of traditional manual entry in register. I'll explain this with an example. Attendance system for teachers in school now replaced by biometric, which is very efficient in maintaining data, and salary for teachers can be quickly calculated based on the data collected by biometric in Excel spreadsheet. Point number 2, it helps in analyzing data. The example for this is calculation of percentage scored by each student in class every month is very tedious task, which with the help of MS Excel this can be calculated and saved in an organized manner without any calculation error. Now move on to point 3, Excel files can be easily transferred over email. So example for this is self-explanatory point. However, if the top management of college wants to see the summary of result for academic year 18-19, then file quickly sent over email in place of going to register and checking the result and summarizing it. So that's how Excel files are easily transferred over emails. Point number 4, less chances of error because formulae are available for quick application. So I will be covering a separate video which will have the formulas for MS Excel, how we can apply, what are the situations where we can use the Excel formulas, and other details related to that. Now few important points I want to mention considering the importance of MS Excel here. So first point is graphical representation of data. We know that picture speaks louder than words. So when seeing the data in tabular form, we need to read it to draw some conclusion. However, when we see a picture or a graph, we can quickly understand the pattern of data, category, classification based on the columns, trend lines, etc. Excel does that very effectively. So if you see this, in the first table I have shown subjects and average marks scored. So you need to read every column, every row to understand what this table is representing. If you see this graph is showing English, average marks scored in English is greater than science. Science marks are lesser than accounts. Accounts are further lesser than biology. Also we can say biology, average marks scored in biology are least among all. Moving on to another important point, using Excel we can organize data very well. Excel has cells, columns and rows which ultimately forms a table, so we can neatly organize and save our data for quick reference in future. Now third point is the most important point, which I will be focusing in very much detail in coming videos, which is related to analyzing data. If you see this table, in the first column I have mentioned student ID. In the second column I have mentioned marks obtained. Student IDs are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and the respective marks are mentioned in the second column. With the help of Excel formulas, I have calculated average of marks obtained, maximum of marks obtained, and minimum of marks obtained. Suppose I name this marks obtained as R, so I am giving it a name R, and if I have to calculate the average of R, I need to put equals to, I need to type average, then bracket, then I have to select that range which I have given the name R and bracket close, and Excel will quickly give me the result of 51.375. In the similar way, if I want to calculate maximum, I will put equals to sign, I'll type max, then bracket, I'll select the range and bracket close. Excel will give the result 80. And in the same way, if I want to calculate minimum, Excel will give me the result 29 quickly. So that's how we can analyze data with the help of formulas, tables, graphs, which I will be covering in detail. So I hope you can get some idea on how important MS Excel when you are working for an organization in any department, be it purchasing, manufacturing, production department, or you name it, and you will require the use of Excel over there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe for more videos related to this. Thank you.